Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. There is this news when I see so about Pastor Chibuzor, yes, OPM pastor when he dey collapse. For me, I dey try to read wetin dey talk for here. Then I try to read some comments. I no understand. Person dey sick, person dey collapse. Who go carry phone the video? Abi maybe na just normal outside people. I no really understand this video because person dey collapse. Then some of people dey waka slowly. Though some people say this one be like a setup, like a stage. You know, if no be stage, this our papa, he just lay a course for people children. I no great carry that video when he say the people children will never, as a pastor. Then I still watch am for another person when Pastor Chris say as a pastor you don't supposed to curse. Use your mouth to curse. Use your mouth to bless. For me, senior pastor of Omega Power Ministry, OPM, Apostle Chibuzor, currently on admitted. That's the admitter. Then in a hospital after he collapsed at the airport on Thursday morning, June 29. Wow, that is yesterday. Today na 30. That is yesterday. Now this thing happened. Then he picture day when he said no lie down. Picture the when as they collapse, people carry on. My people, this life, I pray may he recover fast. People must talk. People get their own talk. Whether you do good, people must talk about you. Whether you do bad, people must talk about you. But for me, everybody get their own opinion to talk. May I read some comment? This one says, sorry, but this look stage to me. This looks stage to me. People, me, I don't understand though. I'll put the right for there. This person, this comment I say, after this our pastor, he don't try to they do people children, they remove people children for inside for womb, then now they collapse. Sometimes people when they do good, people see they as bad. When people when they do bad or good, people must still talk. For me, we should leave everything to God. Then another comment still talk. He said, did they know he was going to fall before the recording? Question mark. Now wetin me not still understand. Did they know he's going to fall? This one say na script. Okay, we not really know how a pastor go dey act that kind of thing. It makes sense, my people. May una let me know. Pastor, you go just dey there, they act all those our Africa pastor, wetin dem don fit do. Na stage, na him, na his street, or probably sick. But that felling, oh, na pure work of art. Okay, they say now pure work of art. If you be OPM, when you want panic, they say me you not to panic. That is why I go read some comments. They say me you not panic. Say those people, those our pastor, our daddy, our baba, say that they fake am. Say me una not panic. OPM they okay. Pastor Chibuzor he they okay. A pastor first sick, he goes to hospital to get good treatment. A church member first sick, he goes to pastor for deliverance. I have said so little. But Africa, who their pastor are their last resort. This person when drop this comment. Sometimes it's good we visit pastor. We go for prayer. Sometimes it's good we visit doctor. Now because we not gonna know good or bad. You understand? Now because we not gonna know who be good or who be bad. That is why many people come they criticize wetin pastors they do. It's good to visit pastor. Why not? Why you not visit pastor? It's good to visit pastor. Pastor pray for you. There is some problem. When I start to follow a prophetic video, I mean, so rest in peace. Yes, a synagogue church of all nations. This man will tell you, say there is some sickness. He needs prayer. There is some sickness. He needs prayer. When there is some sickness, he needs medical treatment. He tell me say, this man not finish. What did he say he wants? He say he go build big hospital, but he not come to pass. Me say pastor they deliver you or pastor they deliver. Then who go seek medical treatment. You just run go pastor. No. Now when medical, you don't do no solution. Doctor go say they know they see problem. They know they see anything. They know they see sickness. They know they see what they cause the pain. They know they see or maybe something. So they don't treat you. They heal. Then you need God. You feel go on your knee by yourself. Call your creator. You understand? Do fasting by yourself. If you still know, say, okay, your pastor, God call pastors, God call prophet, God give different gift. The gift I have, not the gift you get. Everybody get their own gift. Me, I get my gift. You get your gift. Why people call they say all those pastors? Oh God, God, go and preach my word. He want heal. Oh God say, okay, be evangelist, just they preach my word, they go. He want open church. He want start to the heal. That's when God gives say, just they give. I go bless you with a lot of wealth, a lot of, just they give. Then you go open church just because of say he get time for money. Okay, those when God will give gift of healing, gift of deliverance, gift of things, different things. Then many of us will come, they look those people say they are not exist. They exist. If our Lord Jesus Christ, if you believe in Jesus Christ, he said, I never say goodbye, I'm still doing my miracle. When he, after 3 days, when he resurrected, he said, touch me, I'm still living, I'm still doing my miracle. Miracles still exist. But just because of say bad people, when they don't get that power, just greedy, they can't preach the word of God, pray normal. Pray. That's why I still like this pastor, Mountain of Fire. This man, he pray. Do it by yourself. The way you pray, the way you do fast, you will receive the deliverance. Yes, you will receive the. No, me say you must lay hand on this man. They lay hand, but you not lay hand. Say you must, what as they do an automatic. Oh, do no. You feel get the call, I don't feel get the calling. But for me, I don't feel criticize anybody. For me, I live there on the last day. They go here. They go answer God's query. They go answer God answer. They go answer God. You understand? For me, if you dey there, you'll be person when they sick. You never go visit doctor. You never call doctor attention. Just run go meet pastor. No. Go do checkup. Those pastors say they do checkup. Those pastors say they check their self. Yes. There is this guy when they almost spy for Nigeria for Warri side, Delta side. Prophet TB Joshua fly this guy. This guy make me come love this man. He so rest in peace. He pray for him. He said, pray for safe operation. He fly and come on for Nigeria. Carry and go India. They go do, they go operate his neck. Now, pastor, he they deliver. Now, prophet, he they do deliver. They deliver. They heal people. We they see. They see. Some when he be put to you, say he pray. Before you see, even get one when he heal. When bone come up for inside that person leg. Leg don't rot finish. But as he pray for him, and the leg on the heal, boom! He come out. And therefore say, as we be child of God, we get body parts in God's kingdom. If God wants to give us second chance, God will still give us another part. That part when we remove, God will still fill and put. Because this flesh, now God creator, if he close, things, some of our pastors don't really understand, waiting they not be. The gift when they don't get. Some use all kind of open eye, strong eye to look for powers, to do a lot of things. For me, it not really makes sense. For me, it not really makes sense. But if not true, say this our father, Apostle Chibuzor Shinere, I like what they do, though they try to open his and say, if you carry people children go abroad, he will tell you say now 3 months, 6 months, then start to the hustle for there. Everybody get their calling. For me, I like as they help people, what they show us. But as all those boys when they dance, when they try to bring and come and say, nah, wait till he tell us, now make them the hug zone. Then he lay cuts. If not true, now say he really collapse. That cut, that is not sweet to God. Because when he never lay cuts, he not collapse. As he lay cuts, never reach 1 month now, he dey collapse. I mean, the children head come catch am. Wait till you think, go and leave am for the comment section. I mean, sickness just come. Because this tongue, there is power in our tongue. Pastor Chris say, prophet no need to cut. Prophet deliver. I shall see that video. Let me go play that video. All of them, they are prophets, they are pastors, apostles. What did they claim? You understand? You don't need to cost. Because you don't know that cause when you cost, whether God they revive them back. That person when you call, you don't know the kind anointing when God give. You don't know the kind power. You don't know the kind spirit when they move with him. We don't really know. For me, I wish him quick recovery because one of 2 ways is still they try. Yes. Though he blast pastor, say pastor they collect and jet. Pastor they go with jet. But when we can't go see, pastor they get a flash car, my people. When they open this our daddy, cupboard where they put the car, my people, everywhere feed up with flash. I say, now this pastor when they blast people that day be this, my people. This our pastor, they struggle. May I go show now? May I play on for now?
Pastor, no pastor curses. It is wrong for a pastor to curse a member of the congregation or members of the church. Wow. A pastor doesn't do that. And if you're a pastor and you did such a thing, you need forgiveness. You need forgiveness. You've done something wrong.
Interesting.
It is terrible. He tells us to bless and curse not. We bless. He didn't give us the mouth to curse. We don't curse God's people. You realize when Balaam was hired to curse God's people, he was hired, and he asked God. He said, "Lord, do I go so I can help those folks who are asking me to come help them and curse Israel?" God said, "You can't curse Israel because Israel is blessed." He said, "You can't curse Israel."
I hope my people now hear me and office say I crook and that is why I try to play Pastor Chris Oyahio man. I see him for one of our brother China. I will tag him. I know say I did like to tag. I will tag him. Be real. Yes, be real something something something. Be real. I don't know. I will tag am, then una go see am. Now I try for wash her when the whole things they happen. As it analyze am, I was just, I just still get Kenyan video to react. Though that time, I still get an but see this our daddy, our uncle, because for me he still they try. If na even small the time now they give out, people when they around the house, people when they feed, whether they some people that they lie. Whether they do them, we don't know. And for me, let's leave it for God. Okay? For me, let's leave it for God. If Jesus, if he they really they do those things, I pray may he change. But if you know they do, and I want pentan to black, collect sense. So not be everybody head that they they put lie when you go just succeed. Oh, please. Let's be very careful because person when they try to do good, you call the pentan. I see many children when this man pick for street. Only that part, it make me I know, but you not still mean say you dey do good, then you can't do bad. Make people not still talk. People will still talk. But look, see before you, talk. Now it make me go bring Pastor Chris. Say, as a man of God, you're not supposed to curse. God give you power to bless, not to curse. Why lay curse on your children? Why cursing your children? I mean that the curse when they come back to him, so in enemy. Drop your opinion according to the things when we talk. Not go drop something. No insult her, no abuse her. Please, it can be your brother, it can be your son, it can be your father, it can be your uncle. Anything you take her from, drop your opinion, not insult him. Okay? He still dey try if they still look in house. How many people, many children put for your house, not be 1, 2, 3, 4, now food that they eat. Where person they stay, Africans, we the Africa, with the discipline. Maybe this man and no nonsense mind, they try to discipline. People go look at it, they abuse. I don't know. I just they talk my own. But the belly side, whether they say they remove, I don't know. But people when they try to do good, people don't like to pet them bad. And people leave your opinion. Wait till you think. Now pastor, now human being, no be God, no be Jesus Christ. He can fall sick. He can, anything can happen. Now he just carry word of God. They talk, they preach. Me say face temptation. Me say face criticism. Me say fall sick. This body sometimes they break down. They will not mock who fall down. But now that cause me I not still buy and when they lay cause for me that video because if I want to react to it, I go react. So then I withdraw. Yes, I go react. So I withdraw. But may we still look. He's still trying. I pray may he return those cocks. Your whole child they offend you. Your whole child they make you they angry. Your whole child they do something. Sometimes you can't cast her out. You can't they lay bad cause. Now where we for they make mistake. Please, my people, leave your opinion. What do you think about this issue when I just talk so? See, I meet you in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook. If sometimes I'll do video to upload on my Facebook, I'll use mistake to delete her. My people, I don't know why. I pray may I succeed with this one. May I, I pray may I succeed with this one. May I, wow. I pray may I succeed with this one. May I fix publication, okay, for YouTube, for Facebook. Follow me if you never follow me. YouTube, if you like what I do, subscribe, okay? See you next time.